Oh, I had a bump. Dang it. Ooh, did you see the chaser? You see him chasing it? Happy sunshine. Oh, man, there we go. Yes. Woo! All the pain and suffering was worth it. What did we catch? Oh, here's a rare treat for you guys. Rare treat. So, you can't keep any of these in Idaho. Can't keep any of these in Idaho. There's a bull trout. Look how pretty that is. A bull trout, man. Oh, how cool. You can see why they kind of look like a brookie, but that's a bull trout. Oh, it's so pretty.